Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own USB bootable flash drive from any Linux machine. So if you follow this step, you will be able to create a bootable flash drive, not for only one but for a lot of operating system, because what I'm going to show you now will help you create this same flash drive to accommodate more than one operating system. So meaning we can set up, let's say, 3 or 4 operating systems just in this one. Then whenever you are trying to install on a new PC, you'll be able to select from the list which operating system you want to run at that particular point. So for everything that we'll need, all the links are in the description. So if you click the links in the description, which is the first one, to download the actual tool we are going to use. So when you go to your favorite browser, there's a link which is going to this GitHub page. So when you go to this GitHub page, you want to scroll all the way down. You want to click this Ventoy for Linux, that file. Just click on it, and then you should see it start downloading from there. So I already have it, so I'll just cancel that. And also we'll be doing a Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So if in case you don't have Windows 10, you can go to this website as well. I've also linked in the description. This is Windows 10 official site. So let's say if we click Windows 10 there, that's the one you want to click there. Then you want to say confirm. It will just load. Here you want to choose your language, so just choose English International and press confirm. That will do that. And then here we can choose which one do you want to download, which is 64-bit. You can download it like that. As you can see, you also see it downloading there. So I have all these 2 files, so I'll just close this, but you can wait for these files to finish downloading, then you can join with the video. Okay, so now that you have everything downloaded, so I'm just going to open up my file explorer here. So in my downloads, this is what I have right now. Okay, so you want to have your Windows 10 or any other operating systems that you have, and also you want to have Ventoy there. So now we can right click, so this I'll close. We can right click this and say extract. Okay, extract to, we want to extract to the same desktop. I want to extract to desktop, just select. Okay, close. So we have our files here. So I'm going to delete this file, we don't need it. So right now we have the 3 things that we need: a USB stick, and also we've got Windows 10 and Ventoy. Okay, so what I want you to do is double click in the folder, open it. We want to open this in terminal, so we want to right click inside this folder and say open in terminal. So once your terminal is open, let me zoom in a bit so that you can see. Okay, so now from your terminal here, you want to write in this specific command. Okay, so you want to have these 2 side by side, because you need to write this exactly the way it is, otherwise it won't work. So what you want to type is sudo sh, like that. Then you want to copy this exactly. Okay, so which is Ventoy to disk, like that, .sh -i for install. So right now we want to install this actual application to our flash drive. Okay, so what you want to do at this point is plug in the flash drive to your PC. Okay, so once our flash drive is plugged into our PC, so we have it plugged into our PC, what you want to do here is go to your applications and you want to go to disks. So for me it's under systems. I don't know which type of Linux distro you're using. Okay, so you want to go where it says disks, that's where you want to navigate to. So click disks. Once you open up your disk utility, you'll be able to see the actual flash drive is this device here, SDI. So when it has like SDI1, this is meaning it's a partition. We want the actual disk, which is SDI, like that. So you want to type it in like that. So you want to type in sudo sh ventoy to disk -i dev, the actual disks that in your case it might be different. Okay, so once you do that, you want to click enter. Okay, so you want to click enter. Then here it's telling you the size, so here it's confirming with you that that's the right disk. So here do you want to install you want to type in Y and press enter. It will tell you all the information on the disk is going to be erased. So you want to just say yes and go with enter. So here what it's going to do, it's going to create this type of partition where we are going to put in all our ISO image. So here we have like a bunch of ISO images that we can put in, and we'll be able to like use them whenever we want to like format a PC and stuff like that. So here you just want to give it a minute to do its thing. It doesn't take long, so you just wait for it. As you can see, it's successfully, that's what you want to see. Then now I can click this start. Okay, so now that started. As you can see, it's mounted. So here we can open it. So now this is the fun part. Okay, so you can now close all these other things. They're now useless. Okay, I can even close my terminal now. Okay, so now from here you just want to do this, which is drag and drop that in, then you're done, sorted. Same thing, I can add more other Linux distros. Let's see, systems, Linux. So I want to show you something. So here I'm going to use KDE. I'm going to copy this and paste it in there. Okay, so if you drag and drop something, you'll see this file being copied like that. So I'm copying two files, so which is the Windows 10 and the KDE. So once these two are in here, we're going to restart our PC, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do whenever you want to boot to these systems.